Hey do-it-yourselfers, I'm Tyler with Giani, and today I'm going to show you how you can transform the look of an ordinary garage door to look like real wood in just under 3 hours with our new Giani wood look paint kits for garage doors.
Our kit comes with everything you need to make this transformation possible. The first step in our two-step process is applying the wood tone base coat. The second and final step is to use the wood grain mitt to apply our wood grain finish coat. The blend of resins in our wood grain finish coat were specifically engineered to make this look possible.